tutorial, we're going to look at using Zapier to sync our member data with Virtually. In the previous video, we manually added our member data to Virtually by downloading a CSV from Airtable. If you have a situation where your member data might be in flux or updated quite regularly with new members, it's probably a good idea and good way to save some time by getting this automation set up. So from the Virtually dashboard, we'll click on Settings. And we're going to scroll down to where it says to connect with Zapier. So once you've logged into Zapier or created your account, you should see your dashboard here, and we're going to click Create Zap. So the first app that we want to start with is, actually first let's name our Zap. So we're going to call this Virtually. So our first app that we want to add to our Zap is our Airtable app. And I'm already signed into Airtable, but at this point you might be prompted to connect your Airtable account to Zapier as well. So the event that we want to trigger is when a new record is created in our Airtable database, we want a new member to be created in Virtually. So our event trigger will be new record. We'll click Continue. We'll add our account. And we'll want to make sure that we select our correct base table and view here. We'll click Continue. And we can test the trigger now. Awesome, so that's pulled in one of our demo data records, Oliver Ferguson. It has first name, last name, email, and the tag as well as the full name. So we're going to click Continue. And next we will search for Virtually. And our action event is going to be create or update member. We're going to choose our Virtually account and click Continue. And here's where we want to map the data that came in from Airtable to what's being sent to Virtually. So for email address, we have the correct email, and then we have our full name. Just need to click Show All Options to find that. And our tag. At this point, we want all of our new member additions to be tagged with the April 2022 cohort tag. So we're going to select that as well. So we'll click Continue. And we will not test this right now. We'll skip this because it'll create a duplicate. We already have Oliver in the member database in Virtually right now, but we will skip the test and just turn on the Zap and then test it out in Airtable. So we'll turn on our Zap here. Our Zap is on. Let's head back to our dashboard here. And from here, let's head out to Airtable. So this is our Airtable database. We have 20 records in here now. Let's add 21st and see if it will automatically update in Virtually. So we'll add Andrew Wilson, give him an email address, and we'll add the April 2022 tag. Great, so we've created a new record in our Airtable database. Again, if we had a form view, we could have our members just complete the form, and then that will add the new record in Airtable. And now, hopefully our Zap has worked and Andrew has been added into Virtually as well. Let's check it out. So we're going to click on Members. And now if we scroll down, we can see him. Andrew Wilson, he's right there. And we have now 21 members instead of just 20. So our Zap works, and our new record in Airtable has been automatically added as a member in Virtually. This can save a ton of time, and in the next video, we'll look at syncing your attendance and feedback data to your Airtable database.